I'm Virginia Kuhn, and I'm Associate Professor in the School of Cinematic Arts at the University of Southern California. And just a little bit, I'm going to spend 2.5 minutes talking about some of my background and 2.5 minutes talking about the current project I have and then what I'd like to see it go to. So I joined USC in 2005 after creating one of the first born digital dissertations in the country. And I showed these screenshots because it's important that I don't get rid of words, but I use words and also images, moving images, hyperlinks, thickness. And so while I'm in a school of cinema, actually I identify with digital rhetoric, and so I'm kind of the brown dog of academia because everything has a rhetorical situation. So there are any number of things that I do. So I direct an undergraduate honors program, and the way that I first started working with the HPC community is that I had these disparate multimedia thesis projects. This undergraduate program enrolls students from all over the university, and in their senior year, they create a digital thesis project that is founded in their disciplinary background. So I have, I don't know where he put, the laces. So you can see this one up here is a student in classics who used a platform called Korsakov to look at the Battle of Agamemnon and 3 different renditions of it. This one here is a student who was pre-med who used Flash to animate toxin-antitoxin pairs in E. coli bacteria. And this one was an aerospace engineering slash theater major who created a world in Second Life, the virtual world Second Life, that animated Shakespeare's The Tempest from the point of view of cigarettes, the mixing character. So I had no way to archive all these things, so I wound up publishing this web text called Speaking with Students, Profiles in Digital Pedagogy, and I started using video, 5-minute overview videos to document that include interviews with the students and screenshots from their projects. And this was, the only way that I could sort of document it. That's how I started working so very extensively with video. This is a project that I did with the Institute for Global Health. We had created a Facebook game that was funded by ABC and the Gates Foundation that taught about the first 1,000 days of life to the public. And then we got some funding to do this global health response engine, just some screenshots, but it's a game engine that is predictive modeling, so it's fed by data from the Brookings Institution, and it's basically helps to teach global health issues to both undergraduates and to the larger public. This is another project, so similar to Suzanne, these are artist books. We're doing a library visualization project, and this is a large screen we have that's touch-based, and so it's a Unity engine, and you will get into it with these projects that are kind of bookish, that are kind of interesting, and we have motion capture for some of them. So that's a little bit of the range of projects that I do. So what I've done is I just start publishing these things in peer-reviewed digital journals. And so these are early pieces. These were all Flash-based, the Speaking with Students. They're all peer-reviewed and revised. And this is I was the first one to publish in a platform called Scalar, which hopefully, my hope is always that Scalar is an open source multimedia authoring platform that is created by academics. It is now making its way to publishers. It's based in the same relational database as Medici, so my hope is always that we have Medici and then we can publish in Scalar. And then this is the last publication, which now is in HTML5, Flash being, pretty much obsolete. But again, video-heavy projects, my goal is to archive all these things. Well, for now, then, it's large-scale video analytics. So I'm the PI on the large-scale video analytics project that Luigi talked about yesterday. So we combine Medici and tools for analysis, and it's back-ended by the Gordon supercomputer at SDSC. So you can see these are just segmented screenshots kind of laid out so you can compare films across media. These are some of my premises that I put in here more for the archive, but I'm going to actually not bother going through them. But why video? Video we need to analyze. We have not only 115 years of cinema, we have all these other darn platforms. So ubiquitous filmic media. So right now, 30 seconds, that our Filmic Text Project, or our LSVA, is still viewing video as just a compilation of stills. We need to get past that because video is more than that. It's sound plus image plus speech plus layering and transitions and all these things. So we need I need speech to text, concept tagging, sequence analysis, which I'm not sure what that is, but Scott Poole told me about it, and computer vision. And then we also need these novel visualizations. These are done by Dave Bach here at NCSA because they help remove the narrative components so we can look at the form itself, because the form has impact as well. And spatializing a time-based medium can help do that. So thank you.